Now the next graph we are drawing is inferior good. So it's 2s x and y, and you can see there's a parallel shift in income, double the income, and the price ratio between the good x and good y remain the same, is 1:1, and before x is more than y, and now x actually reduce when income goes up and consumption of x goes down. Is like inferior good. Okay, so now let us see how we can draw it. The drawing would not be very difficult. We just first draw the axis. Okay, we try to be quick here since this is rather elementary. This is the line, but we are going to add the label here, and then we are going to say an arrow with a thick line, and then let's see the other one. Okay, we have 0.7 for the vertical axis. It's above, and with y. And then we have two budget line. Okay, and which first one is 0.2 to 2.0. So lower budget line, and the upper budget line will be 0.4 up to 4.0. Then we need to draw a plot on the smooth coordinate. This part is a little bit more trick here because of the it's not easy to come up with the nice result. We will do trial and error. So we will be like 0.5, 5, and then like say 1.7, 0.3, and then we have 2 like 0.1, and let's see if this give. Oh, I forgot the semicolon, so they will complain, but let's compile again. And then this is lower indifference curve, and see what they give us. Not very good. So let's kind of reduce a little bit about the height, maybe up to 3. Okay, now we have another one. Let's say this is 5, and this is like 1.2, and then 3.8, and then make like 6.2, like what you're doing, 6.2 here. Okay, let's try to follow as much as possible. Yes. So let's see what this graph gives us. This graph will need a lot of some kind of trial and error to make sure that the curve is nicely done. But we need to have some patience when you adjust the curve, because we okay. This one still doesn't seem nice. Maybe we have 2 here, and we have some more like 3 here. Maybe we reduce a little bit, 0.6 and 0.4, and this one we have 1.2, and no, it should be 2.8 because they add up. Okay, and we will have like, yeah, let's compile it so and see what kind of curve we are getting. We need to have some kind of trial and error, so it's not that straightforward if you use pod coordinate. Okay, and then it's looks like a okay one, but this one doesn't look very good, so let's adjust a little bit about this one and see if this one a little bit further, say 3. Okay, maybe make it to 6. See if we improve a little bit, because it's a cut at the point that we want to cut it. It's not because of the okay, so it says looks like nice tangents here and there, and finally we have a field draw, okay, at 1.6 and 0.4, and we make a circle of 2 point, okay, and also we do the same for the upper bundle, okay, and let's see if this going to be nice one. Okay, this seems to be okay, and finally we need to draw and dotted arrows, okay, to indicate, to tell the reader that we are drawing a line between these 2 points. And let's say let's draw 1.6, 0.4 to 1.2 and 2.8, and once we draw it we adjust. So this we need trial and error, because we don't really know how to adjust a little bit here and there to make it nice, and it's okay. Now we little bit adjust 0.6, we just adjust it, say like 0.3, okay, just up and down a little bit, and this is 0.7, say. So let's see if this would work. This is showing how you have some final touch on the graph, and this is the most time consuming part, but if you want a good graph, then have to do some try and error. Okay, it's okay, but I guess oh, this is to be go up a little bit, 0.5, and I think when I compile this, then this should be alright. I think that should be alright. So you can see when the income double, okay, and the consumption of X actually reduce, okay, Y is increased, so that's why X is inferior good here and Y is normal good here. So if you finally remove the graph paper, and that will be the let's see the result. That should, if there's nothing particularly problem, then we're done with the graph. So you can see this can be done less than 10 minutes from scratch. It is but I think if you use your computer, it'll be much faster, because I'm recording a little bit slower than usual, but otherwise it's a nice showing inferior good. Okay, thank you.